How long do you have to find a course through clearing? Clearing opens on the 6th of July and is open until the 23rd of October. The last day to add a clearing choice and for universities to accept clearing applicants is the 23rd of October. However, you should aim to get a place through clearing as quickly as possible, as spaces will be filled quickly. Our creative undergraduate degrees have clearing places available, including fine art, photography, film, and more. If you would like more information, please visit our website or phone us on 01752 203 402 to talk about your clearing options with one of our team.